Well, hello friends, it's Tim at the Toronto Tool Library with some good news for all the folks who are fans of the TTL Makerspace. I am happy to announce that we've had our first workshop. Jen, what kind of workshop did we have?
Our first workshop was a lathe workshop, so we were doing some wood turning. So we had a number of students, everyone had their own lathe. We had nice glass partitions between each of the students, and the class was a great success. Everyone had fun and everyone kept safe.
Nice. So the important thing to note here is we've had changes based on the pandemic that we're going through right now, but the Makerspace is operational once again. Everybody had a great time. In fact, in some ways it might have been actually a little bit better format, don't you think, Jen?
Yeah, I think so too. I found by having each person having their own lathe made them feel a lot more comfortable about their workspace, especially with the pandemic.
Yep. So why don't we roll a little bit of video of the workshop for you guys, and you'll see the setup that we've got. It'll give you an idea if you're interested in taking one of the upcoming workshops. We're going to have 3D printing. We're bringing back the CNC course as well.
That's exciting.
It's going to be great. So let's roll a clip for him, man. What do you think?
Sounds good.
All
Play.
Right.